In search bar, type for Top TV. That download link in description. You can download it from there. Search for apkpacket.net. Once the website is open, scroll down to the bottom of the page, and there you can see the download option. Click on the latest version of the application, or you can download directly from the link in description. Click on the latest version. If the ad opens, click on cancel. The download starts automatically. Click on download. Wait until the download finishes. You can watch a live streaming of Dream11 IPL for free. Once the download is finished, click on install and install the application. And once the installation is complete, open the application. And once the application is open, you can see the option called Cricket Live. Click on that, and there you can see many options for preferred language. Prefer which language is suitable for you to watch. If it fails to buffer the video, click on the global. The option will be as English global. Click on that and you will be able to see the live streaming of Dream11 IPL. You can watch any matches for free without any cost. You don't even need the Disney Hotstar subscription, anything. You can watch it for free. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Keep supporting. Yes, the application has been downloaded and installed. Open the application. Click on OK. Follow the steps which I said. Select sports. Select the global or any preferred language, English, Hindi or Telugu, Kannada. Wait until the video buffers. Yes, the video is buffering. If it does not open, click on the global. Yes, you can see the live match. Thanks for watching.